So today it's Saturday, then it's already 2 PM na. Kanina pa tayo gising, madami na tayong ginawa. Nalinis ko na lahat dito. Nakasikaso ko na lahat. Bale, punta ngayon yung kaibigan ko dito, tapos di ko alam kung ano gagawin namin. Bale, magpiprint lang ako muna ngayon nung mga pinasuyo sa akin ni Tin. Tapos baka yain ko lumabas yung friend ko kumain kasi di pa ako kumakain. Tapos bahala na kasi nag-aaya siya tumambay. Dalhin ko na lang siguro yung iPad ko para makapag-drawing ako dito. Bale, update sa mga kuting namin. Na-deads na yung isa, yung black and white. Tapos, nilagay ko siya dito. Ayan, nilagay ko na lang muna siya sa box. Tapos, ililibing na lang to. Sinild ko na lang ng tape. Kawawa naman. Pag gising ko, deads na siya. Tapos, matigas na. Pero kagabi, ang lakas pa nung tumatakbo. Kawawa naman. So, bali dalawa na lang sila ngayon. Kakadidi lang ng mga yan. Bakainin ulit natin. Kasi kayo magtagal. Salita ako. May sabihin ka ba? Ha?
Shoutout sana.
Sige, mag-shoutout ka. Tangin na driver.
Brother, let me take this from your hand. Choice won't seem so complicated. Maybe we can find our way around. It wouldn't be the first time. I hope it's not the last time. Brother, won't you take a look around? See the dark proceed from corners. Maybe we can tear a hole through them. The light wants you to see it. God, I need you to see it. Would you take a chance if everyone did right by you?
Yung mga kapatid mo, napapanood ko niya sa vlog. Ano sinasabi mo?
Wala na mga audio yan eh. Pag pinost mo eh.
Tama, meron ka. Sa trap!
Right back to you. Don't leave now. There's things I'd like you to see. Brother, I would give you half my heart. I'd rather live half feeling than to see the enemy succeed within. A gift left by our Father, a chance of reconciling.
Parang may buwelo. Ang buga eh.
Brother, I
Akala
will
ko
stay
tarik eh, no?
right
Ito
here
lang
with
yun.
you. As long as I am breathing, you will never have to
Sige, tingnan natin yung
be
cafe.
alone again. Can I help to
Yun, pwede ka
heal
na
it?
lang dyan eh. Pwede na.
Does that mean you'd feel it? Would you take the chance? Our brother does right by you. We'll hold you now as you run out. Our sisters, kids you love, they'll know I'll do right by you. I want this to make sense, but I know you've earned your rest. Brother, I will love you till the end. Can you save a seat for me? That's where I'll be.
Hindi na, magaling pa.
Day I see your face again. Oh, it won't be the first time.